Breathing is the bridge between the body and mind connection. When your body is stressed, it cannot heal. And the most efficient and effective way to unwind stress and allow your body to heal is by simply fixing your breathing. The first step to fixing your breathing is to breathe through your nose all the time, whenever possible. There's a really common presentation I see in most of my clients who experience chronic stress and chronic disease. They take really rapid, shallow breaths using the chest. This means that their body is living in flight or fight mode, and it's an incredibly difficult state to live in. The body cannot heal itself in this state. And some signs that you may be chronically stressed are having difficulty sleeping, feeling tired all the time, digestive issues, having cold hands and feet, even frequent infections, headaches, jaw pain, teeth grinding, just to name a few. It's a really broad set of symptoms, and most people experience them differently. So what is the commonality then with all of these symptoms? People that present here, they all don't know how to breathe optimally. When I ask clients to take deep, slow breaths, I only but always see them breathe through the mouth into the chest. And you'd be really shocked to know just how many people don't know how to breathe to calm themselves down. They take these big breaths that create more stress for the body. Mouth breathing is one of the absolute worst ways we can stress the body. It deprives the brain of oxygen and also stops us from being able to access the neural pathways that bring our body back into balance, back into homeostasis, where we can rest, digest, and heal. And breathing through the mouth also creates a state of over-breathing, which starves the brain and the heart of precious oxygen. And it does this by reducing carbon dioxide, which is this little helper gas that allows the oxygen to get into our cells. And without it, most of the oxygen stays in the blood and it doesn't make it into the cells. And we can change this, and we can change our autonomic nervous system simply by changing our breath. We can slow down our heart rate, improve oxygen delivery, and even improve our immune response and regulate our blood pressure when we breathe right. Breath delivers this oxygen to trillions of microscopic cells across the body, and it guides the nervous system to synchronize the organs and the hormones. So here's what to do. Starting from now, breathe through your nose as often as you can when relaxing, when exercising, especially when exercising. Fun fact, did you know that you can increase your fitness just by learning to breathe right without even getting up off the couch? I'll teach you how to do that in upcoming videos. And another thing you can do is breathe through your nose during sleep. Breathing needs to be calm so that your brain can go through a complete sleep cycle. And during these deep sleep cycles, the body is literally cleaning every organ system out. And one way to know if you're breathing through your mouth at night is if you're waking up in the morning with a dry mouth, or if you're told that you're snoring at night. So something you can do to retrain yourself to breathe through your nose while sleeping is to use a lip seal during sleep. And I'll discuss that in upcoming videos. So for now, let's just start with breathing through your nose today. Your cells will love you for it. So is mouth breathing a problem for you? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.